Today's video is sponsored by Angie Queen. The wig that I received is a 26-inch Silky straight 13x4 frontal wig with a density of 180 and at the ends is kinda thin. And the hairline, it is pre-product. Also it's a HD lace, and inside you have 4-way combs and adjustable straps. So I went ahead and I bleached the knots, and I also used my makeup foundation on the lace part of the wig. So now I am also fitting it up on my head to see what I'm working with, and I'm seeing that it's another one, like another one. DJ Kelly. I'm gonna have to work some magic on the lower side, like to my ears. Yeah, it's not connecting. Like I'm seeing my natural hair and that can't work, so I'm gonna have to go fix it up. Yeah. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos.
Showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. When nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned you doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn to moment. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. Where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? I need you the most. I need you the
And we are done. And in order for me to complete this look, I had to use 2 pieces of edge strips to get it all the way together, you feel me? Because I couldn't have my edges be peeking up. For what reason? No. And the hair quality, you're getting silky straight, and it also has body at the root, but not so much at the ends. The ends are a tiny bit too thin for me, you know, but everybody think different. Even with the hairline shape, you'll be surprised to know that it doesn't work for me, but it can work for you, because I don't know, say everybody hairline shape kind of different, you feel me? Even with the edge size, it also play a major part in the fitting of the wig, so do bear that in mind. If you're interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.